If you're a soccer academy or club wanting to consistently sign up 10 to 20 new players a month, we will help you install an automated athlete acquisition system into your business so you can fill up trainings, increase profit, and dominate your local area. So you no longer have to deal with the frustration of low group training attendance, razor thin margins, and the overwhelming stress of not knowing where your next new client will come from, all without having to rely on word of mouth and referrals, email newsletters, local events, or organic social media posts to grow your business. And we've used this exact system with over 75 soccer academies in the UK, including Robbie and David's Soccer Academy that signs up 27 new clients a month, or Gabe's Soccer Academy that signs up 6 new clients a week, or Christian's Soccer Academy that signs up 15 new clients a month. I've also used this system myself to grow and scale my own academy to work with hundreds of players in my area. Now, real quick, who is this guy? My name's Noah Varner. I'm the CEO of the Soccer Business Accelerator. I'm known as the ads guy for soccer academies, helping them install systems to use locally targeted Facebook and Instagram ads. And I've worked with over 75 soccer academies in the US and UK. Now, here's the truth, guys. The local marketing game is changing. No longer can you get away with relying on word of mouth referrals, flyers and business cards, or emails and texts for new clients. There's so much competition now, especially in the US. There are over 3 million registered youth players a year in the US alone and 1.5 million in the UK. And that figure is growing 8% year over year. And with the addition of the World Cup coming to the US, you will see thousands of new soccer training businesses popping up, all taking away your potential customers and putting you out of business. But that doesn't have to happen. And there's a new way to consistently and reliably get new clients in your area. And the businesses that use it are dominating their local areas. So what are they doing? They're leveraging the power of locally targeted Instagram and Facebook ads combined with automated outreach systems that follow up with leads on autopilot. This means they're not only attracting new players consistently, but also doing it efficiently, saving time, eliminating stress, and letting the system do the heavy lifting. Now, this isn't just a theory, it's a proven strategy that works. And if you're not using it, you're leaving money and players on the table for your competition to grab. Now, think about this. How many hours do you spend a month trying to chase leads, post content, or ask for referrals just to get a few more players a month into your program? Or how much revenue are you losing out on because your sessions aren't fully booked? Meanwhile, your competition is running simple ads and letting automation fill their pipeline with new players every single week. The businesses that adapt now will thrive, dominate their local market, and grow to levels that they never thought was possible. Those that don't will get left behind. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend hours trying to figure this out on your own. We will help you install our pitch to profit system that is guaranteed to get you 30 new clients in the next 90 days. And here's how it works. So it's a 5-step system. Now, who is this not for? Real quick, it's not for businesses under 10K a month who don't have a training location, whether rented or owned. It's not for businesses who want to get rich quick scheme. You can go to your local internet guru for that. And it's definitely not for businesses who want to waste thousands of dollars a year on marketing agencies, guys. If you want to go spend thousands of dollars a month for somebody to run your ads for you, then be my guest, right? But this is not for you. This is for soccer academies with a reliable training location who want a proven system to grow their business consistently and reliably each month. Now, step 1 is create. So we're going to design 4 to 6 professionally crafted ads targeting committed soccer parents in your area, calling them out in our scripts and in our ad copy. And it's going to be customized for the specific age group that you train. So whoever your target audience is, we will create the ads calling them out. And we've done this across 75 programs, so we know exactly what works and what doesn't. And these ads are proven to convert high quality leads, so you'll have a successful campaign right out the start. You don't need to guess anymore. You'll have something that works guaranteed right out the bat. Okay, then we go to step 2, which is target and launch. So then we're going to launch these ads targeting parents of committed soccer players in your area for whatever age group that you train. So we can target specifically parents that have whatever age of player. And then we use the messaging in our ad to call out the committed ones. And what we can do is we can send these ads out to everybody in our radius bubble. So we can set up a 10, 15, 20-mile radius bubble around your training location. So every single person and every single parent in that area is seeing your ads and signing up. And then we can start with a simple $15 a day budget. And what that's going to do is that's going to generate 4 to 17 leads for you a day. And it's going to reach about 600 to 1,800 accounts. So imagine that. It's going to reach almost 2,000 parents every single day, your exact target audience, every single day from a simple $15 a day spend. It's absolutely insanely powerful. Just like John here, who launched his campaign in 48 hours, he had 28 leads come in the door from $66 spent. I mean, it's absolutely insane how powerful these ads are for local businesses like yourself. And what we're going to do is we're going to split test the 4 to 6 ads to quickly identify the higher converting ad. Okay, so basically split testing is we're just going to launch them all at once, see which one performs the best, gets us the cheapest cost per lead and gets us the most clients, and turn off all the other ones that aren't working and use the one that is working and double down on that. So by the end of this step, you're going to have a winning ad that's producing you hundreds of leads every single month. It's absolutely insane. And then step 3 is optimize. So after 5 to 7 days of running the ads, we're going to analyze the data from the ads. So we're basically going to turn off, we're going to look at the data, we're going to look at the ones that aren't performing, and we're going to look at the ones that are. We're going to turn off the underperforming ads to save you money. And then we're going to double down on the best performing ads, ensuring that they are delivering at least a 5 to 1 return on investment. So for every dollar that you spend on these ads, you're going to make $5 back. That is a bare minimum, right? So I like to think of it like a machine in front of me, right? Like if I put $1 into a machine and every time it pumps out $5 on the other side, how many dollars would you put in that machine? And the answer is as many as you can. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to lock down a 5 to 1 return and then just keep spending more, because why would you not want to? At that point, you're just making so much. And I've heard it before, right? Like, oh, well, I've tried running ads and they didn't work for me, right? Or you've boosted posts and they didn't work. Well, look, guys, if you weren't at least getting a 5 to 1 return on your ads, then your ads sucked. Your ads didn't work. I don't know, maybe a marketing agency was doing your ads, or maybe you tried to do it on your own and learn on your own. But if you weren't getting at least for every dollar that you put in, you were getting $5 on the other side, then they just straight up sucked and they weren't working and you were just doing them wrong, flat out. Because Facebook wants you to succeed, guys. Facebook wants you to spend more money with them. They're a business. They want you to spend money. Why would you spend more money with them if it's not working? Right? If you've tried it in the past and then you stop using it, they don't want that to happen. They want you to keep spending money. So they're going to get you as many leads as possible to convert. Okay. So it has to work. It's guaranteed to work. Okay. So after we've optimized, that's when we go to step 4, which is Pixel and Conversion API. Essentially, what a Pixel and Conversion API is, it's basically when a customer signs up on your website, it's going to send the data. When we set up the Pixel and Conversion API, it'll send the data back from that customer that looks exactly like them back to our Facebook ads. So then Facebook will use that data and then retarget people in our ads that look exactly like our customers, right? So they sign up on the website, it sends to the server, and then it sends it back to Facebook. And we will get these set up for you. So we'll set these up for you. It's complicated. We'll do it all for you. And you'll get better targeting, better results, and even higher return on your ad spend of 6, 7, 8, even 10 to 1 returns. I mean, after Sam launched it and she spent $60 and they closed for $250 for 12 months, which is $3,000. I mean, that's like a 40 to 51 return, which is absolutely insanely powerful. Then we go to step 5, which is automated outreach. So then we're going to implement a lead automation system to handle follow-up on autopilot. Essentially, this system is going to reach out to your potential customers via text and email within 3 minutes of them signing up through your ad or website. Okay, this is going to ensure you capture their attention immediately and get them booked into a trial session before they look somewhere else, guys. We are in the attention economy. If you guys cannot reach out and start conversations with leads right away, they are going to find out your competition because you think you're the only ones running ads. Not true. They're going to go to your competition if you don't have automated outreach systems set up. Just like Peterson here, who second week had 91 leads come in. He has 12 trial sessions coming in for that following week, all because of this automated outreach system. So we're going to install our 5-step pitch to profit acquisition system for you into your business. And then the best part is we're going to teach you how to run it so you'll never need us again after one-time setup. And we have a hat trick guaranteed. If this system doesn't bring you 30 new athletes within 90 days, we're going to keep working with you for free until it does. So if you want a proven system that will consistently and reliably sign up 10 to 20 new clients a month, then go book a demo call with us using the link below right now. This is not a hard sales call, guys. We're essentially going to get on the call. I'm going to see, if you guys are a good fit for this system. Then we're going to customize a plan specifically for you moving forward. And then I'm going to pitch you an offer based on if I think you're a good fit for the program. And then we can go from there. We don't have to go from there, whatever you guys want, but it's not a hard sales call. So go book in a call with us in the link below and let's get the ball rolling.